Good morning, friends. Sophie and I are here at Walmart. We have been doing some shopping this morning. We went by my mom's to help her out with one thing, and that was after we dropped Katie off at school. So we went to Target and picked up a few things that we needed there. Then we came to Walmart to pick up some flowers. I was gonna go to Home Depot or somewhere, but I figured I could get in and out of Walmart more quickly, because right now everyone seems to be at Home Depot and Lowe's getting their garden stuff. So I popped in here to get some flowers, and we're going to be planting those this afternoon. But today is Gary's birthday, right, Sophie?
Yes.
Yes. So Daddy's birthday today, and we're going to be celebrating that. I still got to go to the grocery store, but we have a lot going on today, and we are glad you're here.
Clouds and thunders standing in my way, but I must try to figure it out anyway.
We are waiting on Katie to come out. Right, Sophie? You having a good day so far?
Yes.
Yeah? Been hanging out with Mama?
Yes.
We decided today, in honor of Gary's birthday, no school, right, Sophie?
Yes.
We're not doing school today. We had some things that we needed to take care of. We've been trying to work ahead a little bit because my mother-in-law is going to be coming, I think, next Wednesday to stay. Look who's here. You glad it's Friday?
Yeah.
How was class today?
It was okay. It was pretty boring, if I'm being honest.
So this is the math stuff that you already knew how to do.
Yeah.
Katie, you got a big thing coming up tomorrow, right?
Yep.
What is it?
I got my driver's license test.
Yeah, and I know in some states it's not like a big deal. At least we've been hearing from some of our relatively close by states. But Katie's is a 4.5 mile drive with an instructor in the car, and then she also has to do 3-point turn, parallel parking, parking on a curb, backing up for so many feet. It's a big deal, you know.
Very big deal.
We've been practicing all week, and I feel like you're ready. I feel like you're doing really, really well. So it's just probably going to be mostly keeping the nerves down, you know. But hopefully all of that will go well, and we'll have that behind us. Ready to head home. We have major traffic getting here, so hopefully we'll be able to get home easily, right?
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah.
Travel with the storm, but I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone. And now, ooh, when you're gone, ooh, I know things won't be the same no more, I'm sure. It'll take a while 'cause I'm still sore, yeah.
Okay, we are back from school and all of the errands that we've been doing today. So I thought I would give you a little haul of just the random things that we picked up. First of all, I'll take you outside to show you that stuff. All right, so I got these 2 planters at Target and some marigolds at Walmart, and also some potting soil at Walmart. I'm just gonna, I think, fill these up with the plants or the flowers and just put one on each side of the stairs. One on each side of the stairs here going down to the pool. So I think that'll be nice. We'll finish up our Target haul. Okay, so I got these shoes at Target for me, and then I got some shirts for Sophie. I had been looking for these before, and I couldn't find it in the size I wanted to get. She really wears a medium, but if it's a t-shirt that's got a like top like this where it's not gonna hang off the shoulders, I usually get a large so she can wear it longer. So I got this one in yellow, and then I also got a light blue one. So it's exactly the same. And then I got one of the universal thread v-necks for me at Target as well. And then a couple packs of these flosser things. And then this nail file thing. And then moving on, oh, and we also got some birthday cards for Gary. The girls just finished filling those out, and I did too. He's gonna be home soon. And then we also got a few things at Publix. This isn't really a grocery haul. This is more of a, I guess, a fill-in. We're going out to dinner tonight for Gary's birthday, so I was gonna make nachos tomorrow, and I use these chips for that, or either something similar, the larger chip. And whenever I buy these, I usually buy two, because sometimes I can't find them at Harris Teeter, which is where I usually shop. This is for Sophie. She loves any kind of cinnamon raisin anything. And these are for Katie. She loves these little mini bagels. And then I bought some avocados and tomatoes to make some guacamole to go with the nachos. 2 things of strawberries for breakfast, and some blackberries and raspberries because they looked pretty good, and Gary really likes those for breakfast. Got some broccoli, and this is Gary's birthday cake. He really loves key lime pie, so we picked one of these up at Publix. And he likes the fresh ones rather than the frozen ones usually. And so I was glad to find this. I thought it might have been a little bit too early, but they did have like 2. And Sophie won't eat anything that's like lemon or lime, or she has a very like short list of sweet things that she'll eat, but this is one that she will eat. So these are for Sophie because she will not eat the key lime pie. So she has a special treat too. Got some cilantro for the guacamole. And Katie and Gary eat this queso. I got some Duke's mayonnaise, the best mayonnaise. If you are in the South, you probably have tried it or know of it or whatever. We used to have a Duke's plant in Malden, which is near Greenville, where I grew up. And a couple of things of the avocado oil spray. We got a rotisserie chicken because I'm gonna make barbecue chicken nachos. Katie has already gotten into the Chex Mix. She bought a sandwich and she's already back there eating that. She's got one of those online French things this afternoon, and then we've got some baby gold potatoes. So all of that was the stuff that Sophie and I were out gathering while Katie was in school today. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the stuff put up, get Sophie something to eat, and then I'm gonna go and plant those flowers in the pots outside. How was the sandwich?
Hi.
Yep. We picked up an egg salad sandwich on a croissant for lunch for Katie and Sophie. Mm-hmm. They both liked it. Mm-hmm. With some Chex Mix, of course. Right, Sophie?
Yeah.
Give me a reason to get out of bed. I need a minute to think, or maybe 2. 'Cause yesterday I lost control and said some things I felt that you should know. I need a day to clear my mind and leave it all behind. It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight. Tomorrow I let my worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another.
We're gonna go ahead and try to plant these flowers while Katie is doing her French lingua meeting.
Tomorrow I keep repeating the same mistakes. I did them all before, in every shape. There's a million ways to mess things up, and I need some time to figure out what to say and make our troubles disappear. Oh, tomorrow's near. It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight. Tomorrow, let all our worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day. Tomorrow, oh, oh, oh.
We had enough flowers left over to plant these in this big pot that I found in the garage. This is from one of the previous owners that left it here. So I had to put it way out front, like nothing grows under here because we don't get any sun. So I put it way up here where it'll be in the rain and the sun. So hopefully it'll work there. But we had a lot of flowers left over. I definitely bought too many, but I'm glad I did because we had another pot. The birthday boy is back from Charleston. Gary had to go all the way to Mount Pleasant for work today, but he's back. And we're headed out to a new restaurant we've never been to called Smokehouse for dinner. Isn't that what it's called? Smokehouse?
I believe it is called Smokehouse, yes.
Yeah. So that's where we're trying to go. It's been looking really crowded, so we'll see if we can get in. What you gonna order?
I get orange fish with fries.
It's our last practice before tomorrow when she takes her test.
There's a car right there, so I gotta drive on this side.
We're back from dinner, and we took Katie driving again on the little test route that she has to do tomorrow. Is it tomorrow? Is today Friday?
Yeah.
Yeah, tomorrow. That was very confusing for a minute. But anyway, her test is tomorrow, so we took her on the driving route. She did really well. So the only thing is, because she's driving in like a specific car, she is not doing the parallel parking, the 3-point turn, the parking on the curb, and what's the other thing? Backing
Backing up straight 100 feet.
Backing up straight 100 feet. So she's not doing that because she feels like she wants to only do it in the car that she's going to be tested in. She'll use their car for the test too, rather than the Jeep, which is what she learned to drive in. But I wanted to make sure that I didn't forget in this video to show y'all our new coffee table that came in. The other coffee table that we had was round, and the top was supposed to come off, and then you could store things inside it. So anyway, when they sent it, it was not a storage coffee table. But this one opens up like a trunk, and then it also works as a coffee table. So I really like it. I think it goes really well with our furniture. Of course, our house is all torn up right now because we're still waiting for this shelf to come. And but this is what it looks like in here. We still have babies on the couch and little Sophie over here. But I really do like it. I think it has like a little bit of a coastal vibe, and but still blends with everything in here.